Alright, got this section papered. It rained yesterday while I was up here. Rained enough to soak me and have to put all my power tools away. Only lasted like 15 minutes, but a good amount came down. There's a good chance to see how water rolls off this roof though. And I have to say it rolls exactly the way I wanted it to. Down the valley, and the little part coming off this little edge just drips perfect off of that and straight down. That top piece is missing because I have to come up from the bottom and then lay that final overlapping row. I am going to put a little piece there. Maybe not, maybe just start at the end and make another new one. So now I'm doing tear off and rebuild the eaves. Just got this section demoed and on my way to rebuilding. Yeah, water rolled out good off of that one too. The only place it pulled up was at the very edge where the drip edge is, where the paper's curled up a little bit. I don't know if I was supposed to put tar down on that very edge of that paper or not, but once the shingle's on it, the shingles are pretty heavy and they're going to extend over 1/8 of an inch beyond the edge of the roof. So it shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, it didn't puddle up anywhere, and the little valley right here where this peak meets that, perfect. There was no water collected in the channel or anything. One of the things I was concerned about. When the shit gets wet, the water coming off is smells like diesel fuel and is yellow and toxic. Some of it rinses off, I guess. Anyways, my last section of tear off. Huh. They did the same thing in 1954 as I did in 2016 when you got a knot hole. They put a piece of board on the bottom, and then I actually like their little idea. They use these little flat pieces of tin to cover the top. And it's actually pretty strong, so I saved one of them and I'm going to straighten them out and put that back where it was. It's a pretty good idea they had there. Didn't think of that myself. I got one fascia chunk here, one here and here. I got to go down and look and see if I'm going to change any of the eave length or not. Won't know till I tear it off and look at it. It's too bright up here. Alright, signing off.